Okay, now they are giving us a sector. They are giving us a sector, and they are saying this sector is basically O A B. They are giving us a sector. The sector is OAB, and in this sector they have given us two different points. In this sector they have given us two different points. One is C and one is D. Okay. Now, what they are telling us about the sector, they are saying that OAB is a sector with angle AOB. This angle is given to me as 0.4 radian. This angle is given 0.4 radian. Okay. After that, they are saying C is the midpoint. If C is the midpoint, it means I can say that from O to C and C to A, the length will be equal. Okay. Next thing they are saying that D lies on OB. D is lying on OB, but they are not saying that it is equal. Okay. Then they have given us a shaded region over here. This is the shaded region which is given to me. Okay. Now, what they have asked for, they are saying if OC equals to 3 centimeter, means they are saying this is 3 centimeter. So OC and CA are equal. It means this is also going to be 3 centimeter. And they are saying that area of shaded region equals to 4.5 centimeter square. Area of shaded region is given to me as 4.5 centimeter square. They are telling me to find the length of BD. I have to find the length of BD, which is this one. This one I have to find. Okay. Now, as they have said, K, it's a sector. It means what? It means that from the center to the circumference, this length and this length, OA will be equals to OB because both of them are radius. Okay, O to A and O to B, because they have told us in the start OAB is a sector. It means that O to A and O to B is a radius. And what will be the length of the radius? So you can see from O to C it is 3 centimeter. From C to A it is 3 centimeter. It means the radius is given as 6 centimeter. The radius is given to us as 6 centimeter over here. Now, this is given 0.4 radian, right? And they have said the area of the shaded region is 4.5 centimeter square. So what will I do in order to get the value of BD? If I can get the value of this one, I can have my result over here. So how will I do the working? First of all, area of shaded region. First of all, I will try to find the area of the triangle. Area of shaded region will be what? Area of sector, which is this whole one, minus area of triangle. Minus area of triangle, which is this part. So, doing my work, area of shaded region was given 4.5 centimeter square. Area of sector, in order to find area of sector, there are many formulas, but I have got center angle, I have got the radius, so I am going to use half r square theta minus area of triangle. For that I don't know anything, so I'm just keeping it like that till now. I will do the working later. Okay, so minus area of triangle will be shifted over here, will become plus area of triangle half. In place of r, I am going to put 6 into 0.4, and this is written in plus. When I will shift it over here, this will become minus. Okay, 6 square is 36. 36 divided by 2 will be equals to 18 into 0.4 minus 4.5. Okay, 18 into 0.4 minus 4.5. This is the thing which I got till now. So multiplying 18 into 0.4, and I will be getting, so this will become 7.2 minus 4.5. Area of triangle. Okay, 7.2 minus 4.5. I will have the area of triangle. Okay, so subtracting these two, 7.2 minus 4.5. So the result is 2.7 centimeter square. That's the area of triangle. This triangle is coming 2.7 centimeter square. Now, for area of triangle, we have got two different formulas. One is applied when you are going to have a right angle triangle. The other one is applicable in any of them. Okay. So the second one is half into side 1 multiplied by side 2 into sine of inclusive angle. Okay, product of any two sides with sine of inclusive angle divided by 2, that is the area of triangle. So what is the value of area of triangle coming? 2.7. Half will remain as it is. Side 1. Side 1 I can take as OC because this is the inclusive angle. Inclusive angle means these two sides are making this angle. So first of all 3 centimeter into OD multiply by sine of 0.4. Okay, what I have done, 2.7 from here, I have plotted area of triangle. Half will remain as it is. Side 1. Side 1 is 3 centimeter. Side 2, that is OD. OD is written as it is. Sine of inclusive angle. Inclusive angle is 0.4 radian. It means your calculator should be in radian mode. Okay. So, in order to find the value of OD, first of all, 2.7. 2 is being divided. When I will shift it over here, it will be multiplied. 3 into sine 0.4 is being multiplied. So, when I will shift it, it will become in divide form, and the whole thing will be equals to OD over here. So when I am going to simplify it, this will become 5.4 divided by 1.168 equals to OD. Okay. And when I will simplify the whole thing, the OD will be coming equals to 4.622. The value of OD is coming 4.622. They have asked for the value of BD. They have asked for this thing. Now we know that OB, what is OB? OB is equals to OA, that is radius, which is 6 centimeter. I have got the value of OD. I have got the value of OB. If I will do the subtraction, I will have the value of BD. So, how will I write it? OB, which is this whole thing, which is radius, is equals to OD plus BD. OD plus BD. Okay? OB is given 6. This is given 4.622 plus BD. Shifting it over here, 6 minus 4.622 equals to BD. And when I will simplify it, what is the result I am going to get? The result I am going to get is BD equals to 1.377, which I can round off to 1.38 centimeter, and that will be your final answer.